jẹ́ ìgbà ìmọ̀ràn tó yìí.
Let me advise you.
má jẹ́ kí ariwo àyíká rẹ.
Don't allow the noise around you
kó mú ẹ gbàgbé
to make you forget
pé kò sí tọ́lọ́run lè ṣe.
that there is nothing impossible with God.
ohunkóhun tó bá ń sọ nígboro.
Whatever they are saying
wọ́n
out
sọ
there,
láyìíká mi tó wà.
that they are saying around you,
má jẹ́ kí ariwo yìí
don't allow the noise
kó change ìpinnu
to change the opinion,
ìyípadà ọlọ́run
the transformation of God
fún ayé.
for your life.
ọdún ti parí.
This year is going.
kò sí ẹ̀rẹ̀ táwọn lè ṣe mọ́.
Nothing they can do again.
má gbọ́n tán sọ.
Don't listen to them.
má jẹ́ kí ariwo pé kò sí nǹkan.
Don't allow the noise of nothing can happen again
má jẹ́ kó wọ ọkàn.
to enter your mind.
mo bí olùfẹ́ ọdún yìí ṣe pọ̀ jù.
This year is even too much
fọlọ́ láti ní ayé rẹ̀.
for God to change your life.
ìbápàdé pẹ̀lú ọlọ́run tí mo sọ yìí.
The encounter with this God that I'm talking about can make something great to happen to your
ó nílò
life.
kó o mú asílẹ̀ fún.
You just need to prepare your mind
because
because
kò sí ẹnìkan tó.